Hey Chloe. Hey, how's it going? Jim here, and I'm gonna unbox the 09 scooter I got from Rev Rides. I'm not sure if I'll use this part of the video, but I just want to do it here to possibly show it. It's a nice day here in Northern California, so I'm doing down the driveway. So I'll talk a little bit more about Rev Rides, who is the North American distributor for Zero and some of the other scooters that Falcon ENV carries. But this is the way it would come to you shipped. And some other scooter, and I mentioned in the other video, like they'll have another box on the outside of this. These boxes are pretty sturdy, they hold up pretty well while being shipped. We'll just do a little teddy. Zero has pretty nice little manuals that come in here, and it's a nice soft touch foam. I'll tilt it up so you can see. So it makes it pretty nice. The other thing I like is that some other scooter manufacturers you have to pull the whole scooter out and then pull the foam off of it. This one, the foam top layer just pops out from around it. Inside embedded you got the charger, and then Zero also gives you a nice toolkit, which I think that's a nice touch. I like that. Alright, now I'm going to pull the scooter out. I might get my dog in the frame, or not my dog, my lady friend's dog. Alright, so there it is. The 09, and just like the 08, I mean, it's a sharp looking scooter. Right away you can tell this one's a little different than the 08. I probably shouldn't compare them. I'm not sure if I'm going to do two videos on the 8 and 9. Looks like there's enough differences I'm seeing here that I probably will do two, but I'm just going to kind of pop it up real quick just so you can have a little bit of a look-see. Some differences I'm seeing between the models of the scooters, and I'll highlight this more later, but I know by talking to Rev Rides that there's the motors are basically the same. The main difference is some lighting, the tires. This has pneumatic air tires front and rear. Sorry, I'm gonna have to holler at the dog. Chloe, come over here. Chloe, come here. Anyway, so it's, I guess that for an unboxing, scooters are generally pretty simple. They're nicely packaged. Yeah, they're generally, there's some differences in packaging. It'd be nice if there might be another box on the other side just so you could hold on to this box if you wanted to ship it, or you could travel with it, you ship it yourself if you're going somewhere. But anyway, that's a first look at it. We will check it out some more. We'll ride it. But anyway, we're going to go on to some more things, but that's the unboxing.
Catch the wave, feel the